दोस्तों, हाउ यू, कैसे हो? आई एम श्योर यू आर फाइन. Today I am going to talk about a special topic, that is competition. You know what is competition? In these days, everybody wants to become a successful life. Everybody wants to become a successful person in his life. But problem is that, is it possible to become a good person in your life? Yes, it is possible. But if you can go in a right way, means whatever you are doing, first thing then you do. Otherwise, what happens, sometimes we are doing something but we don't know on which track we are going. So it is very important that if we know our track, then if we go on that track, then it will be better for us. Suppose that if you are going something, if I am going somewhere, and without knowing, without thinking, I'm just cursing to someone, I'm not giving respect to someone, so there I can't get any respect from that person. So this is the very important things, because if respect cannot be ordered, okay, it can be earned. If you will give respect, you can get definitely respect. So first of all, try to understand yourself, what you are in this condition, what you are. Then you can identify the circumstance, you can find out the problems near about you, what's going on. Then sit properly and think before it what to do, okay? Because a person, you can understand, you can just analyze the person who's in current time who are very successful in their life. First of all, like, you have just listened the people names like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Ambani. There are many people in the world are there who has got their destination, but problem is that not like us. We are thinking that if we are doing our works, within few days we can become a great person. It is not possible. If you do better job, but what to do, how to do, where to do, this is very important for you, for you, not for you, me also, okay? So what we can say, if we do a proper work in a proper way, then we can become a person, good person. Otherwise, many people are there, they are just doing their job, but they are not going to get success. So, but not earning is the not everything in his life, okay? Every people wants to earn more money, but is it correct? No. Yes, everybody wants to earn money, but respect is more better than money. Suppose that if you are going somewhere, nobody can respect you, what do you feel about yourself? It is not. But the person who is going with you and he is respected, he is honored by someone, then there you will think, I am nothing in comparison of that person. So it is not mean that if you have much money, you can honored. If you have much money, you can respect it. It is not clear, okay? So for a better life, I am sure that everybody wants money to survive life, but it doesn't mean that your money can pass your life everywhere perfectly. So your respect will be also matter wherever you go, okay? So I wanted to tell these things because everybody knows this thing, but once I have given a video like on this topic, but people don't think what to do, okay? So this is the things. First of all, think about yourself, think before speak, and do in a proper way. Then nobody is here who can prevent you to become a great person, okay? If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.